Suscríbanse. Oh my goodness, wow, it's so cool, right? Oh my God, salió perfecto nuestro arco iris, our rainbow colors. Come on guys, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We are the SuperKidsAdventure. Ahora es todo, bienvenido a nuestro canal. Nosotros somos los SuperKidsAdventure. Okay guys, en video de hoy, today's video, we're gonna walking water science experiment. Hoy vamos a hacer experimento de la agua caminando sobre encima del vaso. You guys ready to do it? Yeah, vamos. Okay, guys. We're gonna need some water. We need cups. We need food coloring and the paper towels. All right, guys?
Food coloring?
All right.
Can we have these?
So, Kevin, help me fill up the first cup.
Okay.
Be careful. Oh, no, only the one. Only one.
Okay.
Only one because now it's gonna be Ariana's turn.
What about
Ariana, you can get on your knees. Maybe we need to fill it up a little bit more. Come on, Kevin, fill it up.
Okay.
Fill it up. Gentle. All right, Nana. You can do the next cup. No. Whoa.
Oh, shoot.
Ooh, okay. I know.
Okay, Nani. And then I'm going to put it to Pucho. Okay, alright, Pucho, let's fill it up.
All right, so we got the water and put it to the side. All right, guys, you have four. Tenemos cuatro vasos llenos. Now we have to put the empty ones inside, okay?
Why?
We'll see. You're gonna see what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Tú vas a ver lo
Put
que va a
the papers
suceder.
there and
So
see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, beautiful.
1, 2, 3,
Now
4, 5,
we're gonna add the food coloring. Ahora vamos a ¿cómo se dice esto, papi?
¿Ah?
Español. Los colores de comida.
Los colores de
la
color
comida.
saborizante.
Saborizante. All right, we're gonna Nani go first. No, the red goes over there. Give me not drink the water. All right, Nani, you're gonna add some drops in the first cup. It's okay. You know, open it. Good. You can add some couple drops in there.
1,
Okay. One more. Okay.
2,
That's good. That's good, baby.
3. I got 3.
All right. Nana, you're gonna put yellow right here.
Wait, Pucho, wait. Yes, baby. Okay, now put some couple drops. Okay, that's good. So it stay yellow. All right, Kevin, you're gonna add the blue one in this cup. This one, right here. Right here, add it right here. Oh, shoot. Come on, it's okay to get messy. No, not too much. That's good, that's good. Because we don't want to put it dirt. All right, and I'm gonna have Pucho. All right, Pucho, to make purple, we have to mix blue and red. Okay, let me mix it. No, this is Pucho's turn. All right, Pucho, gonna add.
All right. Okay, blue, and then I need the red color, Nani, to make
Red.
purple. Red and blue makes purple. Rojo azul hace color morado, violeta. Pucho, toma.
It makes blue. Blue.
Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Next, we have to mix the colors. Go ahead, guys. Pucho, this one. Mix it. Come on, Nani and Nana. Ahora tienes que menear los colores. Suave, Kevin, suave.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Good.
Good job, Kitty. Fun, my love. Good job. Good job. All right, now we gotta do the next step. All right, let me clean that up. Copy. Kitty, all right, guys. You can take the spoons out. Let me clean it up. Good, Kevin. Kitty, no more. That's enough. Okay, no more. This is a big spoon. All right, guys. This is a big spoon. Hold on. Look at this. A big spoon, Johnny. Here, put the spoons here.
All right, guys. Our next step is adding the napkins. One for Nani. One for Nana. Don't add it yet. One for Pucho. And todavía, okay, Pucho. And Nani, put yours in the red color and on the empty one. All right? Wait, Pucho, you're not listening. Okay. Now, Nana, you're going to add in the empty cup and in the yellow cup. Pucho, you're going to add yours in the yellow and amarillo. Uh-huh. And then, Kevin, you're going to add yours on the empty cup and on the blue cup. Let it go, baby. On the empty one and on the blue cup. Okay, and then my turn.
Can I do it?
And then on blue and the empty. And Kevin, you can do the last one on the purple one and on the empty one.
Maybe did one.
Yeah, he did. And then what's gonna happen is the red is gonna travel in the empty cup and the yellow is gonna travel on the empty cup is gonna turn orange. And then, Ariane, can you please start touching?
No,
and then
no.
the yellow cup is gonna travel to the empty, and the blue cup is gonna travel to the empty cup. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
And then the purple is gonna trap to the empty cup.
Yes. So this is called what's gonna happen?
Experiment.
Yeah, it's a nice, cool science experiment that we could do, and it's called capillary action. When the water absorbs on the napkin and it goes over to the empty one, and it's gonna turn to a different color. So lo que va a pasar es, Aliane, can you please let it go? Lo que va a pasar es, eso se llama acción capilar. So, en la rojo va a absorber en la servilleta y va a bajar hasta aquí en la vacía. So, hay que esperar lo que va a pasar. Wait, Pucho.
It's turning blue.
Alright.
Why turning blue? Yes. Why turning blue? So the purple one's gonna travel in here and the blue one's gonna travel here. And it's gonna make an indigo color. You're gonna make the napkins keep getting wet. Alright, they'll wait a couple minutes. Stop what about
Oh my goodness, guys, look what happened to our empty cups of water. Mira lo que pasó con los vasos que estaban vacíos. So red and yellow makes what color?
Orange!
Good. Yellow and blue makes the color.
Green!
And then the blue and purple was to make indigo, but it didn't work out very well. So aquí tenemos el color rojo y amarillo, hizo el color naranja, y amarillo y azul hizo el color verde, y azul y morado hizo el color, no sé cómo decir indigo, pero no funcionó. So guys, what happened here is called capillary action. So that means, yeah, that means that the napkin, the watercolor observed in the empty cup, and then this cup observed to the other empty cup and makes the color orange. So, esto se llama acción de capilar. Cuando el vacío que estaba lleno de agua, color rojo, se absorbió a la servilleta y introdució en este vaso, y el color amarillo absorbó y se metió en el vaso y hizo el color naranja. So this is our experiment, walking water science experiment. This is our rainbow. It came out so good, right guys? Mucho. Guys, this was a fun science experiment. Hey guys, I want to say thanks for watching. Gracias por vernos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell button. No se olviden que suscriban a nuestro canal, toca la campanita y compártelo. Y ¡tarán! Experimento de
Thanks for watching.